Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of your Messenger session expired. If you're having trouble to fix your session expired on Messenger, then today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working your way up. So let's start with the quickest fix. To fix like session expired on Messenger, you just need to follow the few options to do so. The first quickest fix is airplane mode. You can turn it on from your notification bar or from your control center. Wait for about like 10 to 50 seconds and then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Now once you turn it off, go back to your Messenger and try logging in or try maintaining your session expired on Messenger. So now there are a few other options too. So the next one is check if there is an update available for Messenger. So open your Play Store if you are an Android user and search the related app and update it accordingly. But as I am iOS user, I will go to my app store and visit the app Messenger. After searching the app Messenger, just need to see whether any kinds of updates available in Messenger or not. If there is an update available, tap on the update button and update your app to the latest version. So you have to do it up to date because sometimes like login issues or any kinds of session expired issues happens because you are using an outdated version of the app. So updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. But if updating did not help, it's time to clear the app cache, especially on Android, and here's how you can do it on Android. So go to settings, app or app management, find Messenger, tap storage and cache, then hit the clear cache. So this clears your all old data that might be causing issues. So if you are an iPhone user, then the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app. So to do so, you just need to go to your settings and go to the option general, find general and tap on the option iPhone storage. After that, you just need to tap on the Messenger and see there is the option like offload app. Tap on the offload app and again confirm it, and there will be the option like reinstall app. There you go, tap on the reinstall app and your Messenger app will be reinstalled in your device within a very few seconds. There you go, and one of these methods should have helped you get back into your Messenger account. So if it did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. And if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more to our channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one with the next tutorial video. Thank you.